Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Did you all see my video regularly? Okay, last class, what lesson I taught you? Did you remember? The lesson name is The Boy Who Drew Cats. Okay, so this is a very interesting lesson. Do you remember the story? Okay, I will sum up the story and then we will see the next pages. Okay, so it's a Japanese story. Okay, it's a Japanese story, and then what in Japan there is a village. Okay, in Japan there is a village. There lived a poor farmer and his wife. Okay, so it is a village, and then there lived a poor farmer and his wife. Okay, and they who were very good people. Okay, the both husband and wife are very good people. They had a number of children. Okay, last class I told you, the couple have number of children. And then what happened? The elder son, okay, among the children, the elder son was very strong. Okay, the elder son was very strong, and when he was 14 years old, he started helping his father. Okay, and then the youngest child, so the last child, he was very little boy. He was very weak. Okay, the youngest child was very weak. He cannot do any hard work. Who? The last child. Okay, he was very cleverer. Okay, though he was very weak, but he was very cleverer. Okay, clever means intelligent. Okay, he was very intelligent. And then what happened? His parents want to become a priest. The last child was very weak, so his parents thought he want to become a priest. Okay, and then what priest means, what I told you. Priest means a man who has been trained to perform religious duties in church or temple. Okay, that is, we called it as a priest. So these parents took the little child to a village temple. In that village temple, the old priest is there, so he want to select the boy. So the old priest is asking some questions to the little boy. Okay, some questions. So this little boy was very clever, and he was answering to the old priest. Okay, whatever the question was asked by the priest, he was immediately answering. So he was very clever boy, so he answered for every question. So the boy was selected as a acolyte. Acolyte means what I told you, the meaning. Acolyte means a person who is assisting the priest. Okay, acolyte means a person who is assisting the priest. And then so he was selected by the old priest. The boy learned quickly, so he was very intelligent. He was learning whatever the priest is teaching, he was learning quickly. And then what happened? The little boy had one fault. Okay, one fault he had. What is that? He used to draw cats. Okay, he used to draw cats wherever he was going, whether he was seeing the screen, whether he was seeing the wall, he started draw the cats. Okay, so in study times also he was drawing the cats. Who was drawing the cats? The little boy was drawing. So these things was seen by the old priest. He became very angry, and what he told, one day he had drawn some very clever pictures of cats upon a paper screen. The old priest the old priest said to him severely. He got angry, the old priest. Why he got angry? The little child want to study. What he was doing? He was drawing the picture. So the old priest got angry and shouted at the boy. So he is telling, you don't want to stay here. Who is telling? That old priest is telling, you don't want to stay here. Go away from this place. You can become an artist. So you have made talent in drawing the artistic work. So you can go out and you can become an artist. You don't want to be stay here. Who told? The old priest told to the little boy. So and the old priest told one word, one sentence. Last class I told you, did you remember? What is that? So he told one sentence, avoid large places at night, keep too small. So this sentence was told by the priest, but this sentence didn't understand by the little boy. Okay, he couldn't understand what is this, what the priest is telling, but he has a fear to ask what it is mean. Okay, the boy has fear to ask the priest. So what he was doing, he is tying up the clothes and ready to go away from the place. Are you able to follow me? Okay, so the little boy was tying up the clothes and ready to go away from the place, and he didn't say anything to the priest also. And then now the page number 32, we are now continuing. So he left the temple very sorrowfully. Okay, the old priest told, you don't want to stay here, go away. He told like that. So the little boy was very, very sad. Sorrowful means sad, and began to wander. Wander means he doesn't know what to do. If he went straight home, if he going back to his home, what will happen? His parents will scold him. Okay, so they will punish him. So he has a fear. And then what happened? All at once he remembered that at the next village 12 miles away. So he remembered the next village 12 miles away there was a big temple. Okay, so the boy remembered. So the next village 12 miles away there was a big temple is there. I heard there were several priests at the temple. So before I heard there are several priests is there. Okay, priest is there, so I can go there. And then he made up his mind to go to them. So he made up his mind and he was started going to the next village and asked them to take him for their acolyte. So acolyte means what I told you, the person who is assisting the priest. Okay, who is assisting the priest, that is acolyte. So he want to be a acolyte. Okay, now that big temple was closed up, but so now he was going to the next village, a big temple. Okay, he is going to the big temple. Now the big temple was closed. Okay, closed up, but the boy did not know this fact. Okay, the boy didn't know. Okay, the temple was closed. He didn't know the temple was closed. Okay, the reason it had been closed up was that a goblin had frightened the priest away. So why the temple was closed, he doesn't know. What is the reason? You know, the reason is goblin. Goblin. Goblin means a creature, ugly creature. Sometimes we can say bad spirit also. Okay, so the ugly creature frightened the priest in that temple. Okay, the goblin is an ugly creature that frightened the priest in the temple. And what happened? The priest was run away from the place and have take possession of the place. Some brave warriors had afterward gone to the temple at night to kill the goblin. So what is that? Those who have brave person, no, they went to the temple to kill the goblin, okay, to kill the goblin, but they had never seen but they never been seen alive again. Those who are going to the temple, they never come back alive. That means whoever is going inside the temple, whether it might be a brave person, okay, they will killed by the goblin. Okay, nobody had ever told these things to the boy, so he walked all the way to the village hoping to be kindly treated by the priest. But this story was not known by this boy. The boy didn't know these secrets. Okay, the boy didn't know any secrets of this. The temple was inside the temple, one goblin is there. The goblin is frightened the priest run away. This story was not known by the boy. The boy didn't know. So he was going in a kind way. Okay, walked all the way to the village hoping to be kindly treated by the priest. He thought in the temple there are so many priests there, they will treat me kindly. He thought like that, but there is no priest in the temple. Okay. Understand? Are you able to follow me? Okay. When he got up to the village, it was already dark. Okay. So he was entering into the village. It was totally dark. Okay. And all the people were in bed. So in the night time, usually they went to the bed. But he saw the big temple on a hill at the other end of the principal street. So he saw the big temple, okay, and he saw there was a light in the temple also. Okay, he saw a light in the temple also. People who tell the story say the goblin used to make that light in order to tempt lonely travelers to ask for shelter. So some people are saying from the temple there is a light. How the light come means the goblin used to make this ugly creature, no, this goblin make this light to attract the people so that they will come. So for example, the temple has a light. If any person will see the temple, means they thought the temple is running, so they will enter into the temple. Light is there means the priest is there, they thought like that. So in the same way, the goblin made the light and attract the people. Okay, the boy went at once to the temple and knocked. Now the boy was entering into the temple and knocked. Knock means this is okay. There was no sound inside, so that temple was full of silent, quiet. Okay, he knocked and knocked again. So there is no one in the temple. So he was knocking. There was no sound inside. He knocked again, but still nobody came. Okay, so he was knocking, but nobody came. At last he pushed gently at the door and was quite glad to find that it had not been fastened. So he went in and saw a lamp burning, but no priest. So no one is opening the door. At last he himself going inside the temple and he saw a lamp. Okay, he saw a lamp burning. But no priest in the temple. Okay, but no priest in the temple. He thought some priest would be sure to come very soon, and he sat down. So he thought in the temple some priest will come, so I will be wait here. So he thought like that. Then he noticed that everything in the temple was grey with dust. So, and then after only he is noticing one by one there is full of dust. Okay, the temple was surrounded by dust. Okay, and then thickly spun over with cobwebs, you know, spider. Okay, so spider will build that cobwebs, no? So full of cobwebs is there. So he thought to himself that the priest would certainly like to have an acolyte to keep the place clean. So what the boy was thought, so the temple was full of dust, so the priest would appoint a acolyte. Acolyte means a person who assisting the priest. So he wants an acolyte because he want to clean the place. The acolyte should clean the place. So the priest need a acolyte to clean the place. The boy thought like that. And then what happened? He wondered why they had allowed everything to go dust. So the boy was wondering why this temple is full of dust. Okay, what most pleased him, however, were some big white screens. But one thing he was very happy and pleased. What is that? There is a big white screen is there. Okay, and good to paint cats. So he is always he has an habit of drawing cats. So here in this temple there is a large white screen is there. So he thought himself, I can draw here in this board. Okay, though he was very tired, he looked once for a writing box and found one and ground some ink. So he saw some writing boxes there and some ink is there, and he began to paint the cats on the big screen. Okay, so with this I am stopping here. This is a big lesson. So this is a very interesting lesson, thrilling lesson. So all of you learn the lesson from the beginning. Okay, from the beginning read out the lesson. If you have any doubt in this lesson, you can ask me, okay, through mobile. I will clarify your doubts. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.